sat alone inside this room, and I long for the outside. It's hard to see 'cause of this gloom, but I think all the blood's dry. I need to leave, I think I can, if I could just get the sleeves untied. I wanna break out before I break down, cast off these chains that keep me bound. My dreams are alive with terrible sounds that keep these walls from crashing down. My sightless foes, they go unseen. Do you think they can hear me? They're never far, just a turn of the key. Do you think they can break me? It's starting soon, instruments cold, and I begin to lose control. It's so cold. Can somebody help me? I wanna break out before I break down, cast off these chains that keep me bound. My dreams are alive with terrible sounds that keep these walls from crashing down. Crashing down. All around me. I wanna break out before I break down. Alone again, just me and my pain. It's almost time to medicate. It helps with the bees that live in my brain, and I don't much fight the restraints